And right on cue, we have a Mike hurtling towards us through the internet pipes. Mike, another one for the student to do.
You guessed it, here we go.
To make things easier, some of the methods have been stubbed out, and comments have been added to show where code is missing. To get those, you need to go to the project directory in the command line and run git reset hard to remove any local changes you have, then git checkout task update reload. First, let's take a look. In public/js/main/indexcontroller.js. Underscore update ready is being called whenever there's an update ready to show. We implemented that in the last task, but we're now passing the new worker into the method. In underscore update ready, the new version message is shown, and we hit this line, the to-do, if the user hits refresh. Here, you need to send a message to the new service worker to tell it to take over control of pages immediately. You'll need to handle this message in the service worker. Over in public/js/sw/index.js, at the bottom there's a to-do. Here's where you can listen for the message to take over page control. Back in public/js/main/indexcontroller, there's a to-do in underscore register service worker. You need to listen for the page's controlling service worker changing, and using that as a signal to reload the page. Once you've coded it up, you'll need to get those changes picked up by the browser, and once again, this is a little awkward. Thankfully, this is the last time it's awkward. The easiest way is to delete the service worker and then refresh the page. This will refetch and cache your JavaScript. Now make a change to your service worker, adding or changing a comment will suffice, and then refresh the page. If your code's working, you'll see the notification as before, and pressing refresh will reload the page. Once you've got it working, you can test it on the settings page. The testing is a little different here to the previous tests. First, make a change to your service worker and refresh the page so you have an update notification. Now, in the settings page, type update reload into the test field and press enter. Then you have 8 seconds to hit the refresh button in your notification. This will confirm it's all working.